Kutools AI allows you to easily generate the content you need without having to write it yourself. First, open the Kutools tab and click on AI Assistant. In the AI Assistant pane, select Compose. Enter your content requirements in the prompt text box. The more detailed the prompt content, the more closely the generated content will meet your requirements. Click the Send button. Kutools will generate content in the text box instantly, based on your prompt. At this point, you can click Insert to directly insert the generated content into the document. Alternatively, you can click Copy to copy the content and paste it wherever you wish. If you are not satisfied with the current generated result, you can click the Send button again to produce new content. You can browse through the generated content by clicking the Previous and Next buttons. In addition to manually entering prompts, we can also generate content that meets our needs more conveniently and quickly. Enter the type of prompt. Click the Generate Prompt Example button. At this point, a prompt will be generated automatically according to the type you entered. You just need to make slight modifications to the prompt content according to your own needs. After completing the modifications, click the Send button to produce the content. Alternatively, you can click the Prompt Type drop-down arrow and select one of Kutools' preset prompt types. Adjust the prompt according to your specific needs. And click the Send button.